Welcome to Canva Training Part 2, Become a Graphic Designer Pro. In our training today, we will make a graphic design using one of the templates from Canva. Today, we will use one of the templates for an Instagram post. Since we are experiencing the coronavirus pandemic, let's make a graphic related to that and thanking our healthcare workers for all of their work during this time. So we are looking for coronavirus stuff, so we'll put in the search COVID to see if anything comes up. And as you can see, there are some templates already out there in regards to COVID-19. This is one, but I'm not sure that this is the right one. So let's look for some other options until you find one that, piques your interest. I kind of like this one. So we'll use this as our template that we're going to modify and customize to our liking. So as you can see with the template, it already has text already in different sizes and formatted, and it looks really nice, and there are already some healthcare professionals pictured and everything. So it's not much that we have to do other than make it our own. And to make it our own design, we are just going to replace the formatted text with what we want it to say. And also we'll edit the nurse and healthcare practitioners that are pictured to make them a little bit more diverse. So first we'll start with sending a message that we want to say to our healthcare practitioners. And this was originally for a hospital. So of course, if we are making this for our purposes as a church, then what we say might be a little bit different. So we're editing that. And then where it has the name of the hospital, of course, you would want to put the name of your church. So the template makes it really easy to know where you should put different things. So it's from, in this case, my church, Green Castle Baptist Church. And we've edited those things. I want to change the background color. It's purple. And we are in a green color scheme with all of our marketing materials. So it's really easy. I just click on the background of the page or the graphic, and then where it's purple, we're going to change it to green. Voila. And so also it's a lot of purple with the healthcare people that are in the picture. So the light purple, we're going to make that light green. And we're going to do that for all of them. But there is a way to change all of those things that are that color in one simple click. But I'm going to walk through and do each of them just to make sure that those items that I want to change in color, change in color. Alright, so now that looks more like our color scheme for our communications and marketing materials. All the green, I love it. And so then next, let's see, we're going to maybe change this "you are our heroes," and let's put a scripture verse there. Something related to healthcare workers. We'll add that there. I don't know about you, but I am not one to have this memory bank of scriptures in my head, but I know where to go get one. So I go off screen and I'm able to pull a scripture that is appropriate for the audience. And I also decided to change the title from "We Salute Frontline Workers" to "We Salute All Healthcare Workers," since this is specific to that audience. Now that we have the text on the page exactly how we want it, and we have the background and color scheme looking great, I do want to go and make the healthcare workers pop a little bit more, make them a little bit more diverse and give them some personality. I'll do this by first starting with the image on the right side of the screen, and we'll select a color, skin tone color, and change the previous color to this new skin tone color. And then I go to the second image and I do the same thing. I try to, well, that wasn't the right color to change, so I go to the other option and I select, and then yep, that's right, but that's not complete. We have to make sure his face is changed as well, and voila, see, that looks a lot like better. And then we'll do it also for the third person pictured, that's all in the hazmat uniform. And so it's just kind of like trial and error. You can change things easily if it's not what you wanted. So let's see, I tried to change the color of the face, it changed the uniform. So we'll just tap the undo button and that changes it. So that's a great button to know. And so then we'll try the other, and yes, I think that's it. And that changed it, so that gives a little coloration to the face underneath that hazmat uniform. And so this looks really good, and we could call it a day, but I'm going to go back to just review one more time to see if there's any more edits. And so I decide to change the scripture verse, not the verse, but just the version. So I word it a little bit differently. And then I think that everything else looks pretty good, no changes needed. So once this is all complete and it looks the way you want, you go to the top where it says download, and you click down and it gives you some options of, you can send it right to your Facebook page if you have it attached, you can email the graphic. In this case, we want to download it. And then when you click on the download, it gives you file type options, and it suggests for you to download it in a PNG. That's going to give you the best high quality, but you can also download it in other versions as listed here. So we're going to go with what is suggested and download it as a high quality PNG. If we wanted to change the size or make the background transparent, that really comes in handy if it's a logo. We would do that, but we're just going to say okay. It's publishing our design. You'll get the pop-up message box that looks like that, and we can press save. Now, of course, if you wanted to change the name of the file, see it's saved with the template name, you can go to the top and where I'm typing in salute for healthcare, well, salute for health workers. I've changed the title, and then I can resave the file after I download it again, and then it will save with the new name. And here is the finished product. Now you have this beautiful graphic that you have just created using the template from Canva, and it was so easy, and now you can post it online. And because that was so easy, now it is your turn to do the same thing. I want you to go to canva.com and use one of the templates to create your own fantastic graphic. This is going to be easy. Just follow the video instructions. And if you have any trouble, then please reach out with your questions. I'm happy to help you through it. And thank you for watching.